boy, it just keeps getting worse for the doc. Oh boy, when it rains, it pours. Doesn't it? And the doc's former comrade, TimTheTatMan, had a bit of an emotional response coming back from a bit of a break. We're going to take a look at that in a second. We're going to watch the video. It's a couple minutes long. If you're still living under a rock and don't know what's going on, let me just show you a few headlines with a few things of context on what is happening here with the doc. So we're going to get to this article in a minute, but so the doc originally admitted to texting a minor. Something leaned towards that direction, if you know what I'm saying, but nothing was sent, no pictures, etc., etc. Let me find the quote. So this is what he said. These were casual, mutual conversations that sometimes leaned too much in the direction of being inappropriate, but nothing more. Nothing illegal happened. No pictures were shared. No crimes were committed. I never even met the individual. Okay? But still, it should have never happened. I stated in my previous video, you're married with kids. Don't even, unless you're doing a adult transaction for sponsorships and business, etc., something on those lines, something to do with business. But I wouldn't even be bothering talking to any girl over the interwebs. Anyways, so moving more and more, Twitch reportedly had to alert NCMEC over severity of Dr. Disrespect's DMs to a minor. I don't know the validity of this. The sources say that they hear this person's supposed to be reliable, etc. But if you read here, it says the Twitch source I have confirmed they reported the NCMEC, but anything after that in terms of potential law enforcement organization, I do not have information of. This stuff is public record, man. It said, I did public record requests at courthouses across Southern California, never found anything. Okay? This is corroborated by Mikhail Klementov, whose colleagues at the Washington Post did the same. All right, so I don't know. Sounds like just people yapping and creating, adding more to the flame. But I don't know. I'm not backing this guy up. I'm just saying, I'm just trying to find the validity of this. The doc is still wrong, in my opinion. What else do we have? Oh, yeah, we have YouTube fully demonetizes Dr. Disrespect's channel after confirming reasons of Twitch ban, because it says we have suspended monetization on Dr. Disrespect's channel for violating our creator responsibility policy, says YouTube rep. So they're straight from the source. Okay, so that's okay. That's legit. Even this Midnight Society, his game company that he co-founded, cut ties with Dr. Disrespect. And in a statement from Midnight Society right here, on Friday evening, we became aware of the allegation against one of our co-founders, Guy Ream, a.k.a. Dr. Disrespect. We assumed his innocence and began speaking with parties involved. And in order to maintain our principles and standards as a studio and individuals, we needed to act. For this reason, we are terminating our relationship with Guy Beam immediately. So, there. This other stuff, this NCMEC, there's no proof of it. All right, so, yeah, that being said, let's take a look at TimTheTatMan. And you might be going, click, why Deserto? Because Deserto digs deep in this stuff. This is pure Deserto. The drama machine. This is what they're good at. But hey, let's take a look. TimTheTatMan gets emotional addressing Dr. Disrespect scandal in first stream back. TimTheTatMan returned to YouTube the first time since his friend Dr. Disrespect confirmed he was banned on Twitch for sending explicit DMs to a minor. Now remember, he said they were casual, mutual conversations that leaned too much in a direction inappropriate. Nothing more. Nothing illegal happened. No pictures were shared. No crimes were committed. I never even met the individual. But still, should not have been talking. Bad. Not good at all. Dr. Disrespects, blah, blah, blah. In the aftermath of the confession, Doc lost major brand deals with San Francisco. That's right. He also lost deals with San Francisco 49ers. Yes, his game studio, Midnight Society, and even, they removed his NBA 2K content. I mean, it is just rough, man. Should have never happened. Ridiculous. Additionally, he lost the respect of his fellow streamers, including some of his top creator chums, former Nick Merckx and TimTheTatMan, who revealed they no longer support him for his actions. Well, of course. I wouldn't want to be around that. I couldn't. Yeah. No. On July 1st, Tim returned to YouTube for the first time since the news broke and issued a somber thank you to his viewers for their support. It's pretty insane last week with everything going on there. Okay, let's take a look at the video. This segment starts at 30 seconds.
Good morning.
So,
morning, ladies and gentlemen, man. Kevin. Kevin's been on PTO. Good evening. Good afternoon. And giving me. This has been it's been a wild one, man.
Yeah, you're telling everybody else.
The video. Just playing with Doc for so long and then seeing all this happen, man, it's...
Sure.
It was hard. Of
course it is.
To say the least. It was not an easy week there, but...
just the dumbest
I just appreciate
possible
all the love you guys
thing.
give, man. For real. Thank you. And it is not unnoticed. So I do appreciate just because there's so many people just yelling at each other left and right.
Yep.
And
it's pretty ridiculous. If you go like on X,
a lot of negativity. Right? Just in general.
Even on some posts,
my timeline right now, just in general, man. So
even some posts on the news, people are really going at it.
Nice comments through the chaos, and I appreciate it very much. So thank you guys. Thank you.
I think that's it.
I'm back. I have some PTO for next week.
Yeah. So, I wouldn't say it was like super emotional, but I mean, but it is. What else are you supposed to say? You think you know somebody, and then something like this happens? That is tough pill to swallow. See here, Dr. Disrespect has vowed to return to streaming after first taking an extended vacation with his family. Still, it's not clear yet if he will be coming back to YouTube after the platform demonetized his channel. I don't know how you come back from something like this. I think the easy answer is you don't. Going back from when he was doing that IRL stream in the bathroom, so stupid. Unbelievably stupid. And then the situation that we find when he's like, he said he had infidelity with his wife, and it ends up being not downplaying this, ends up being this situation talking to someone underage, which dumbest thing ever. It's the stupidest thing, man. It goes to show you could have basically everything, and you got to mess it up in one of the most stupidest ways possible. There's no excuse. What do you guys think down in the comments? You make it this far. Do you think Dr. Disrespect will be able to come back and have a fan base? Is this is there something going? Is this a witch hunt? Right? Is there something not right going on here? Still, regardless, what he did was wrong to just one of the highest degrees. So let me know down in the comments. If there's more of this huge debacle, I'll cover it. I'm actually getting sick of it. I want to move on to something else. I'm not emotionally involved in this. I'm just glad something else, like no one got things didn't escalate to another level, because It's it turns your stomach. So let me know down. What do you guys think in the comments? I appreciate you guys very much. That's some news. Like and subscribe. Still really itching to get to 2,000 subs. Not too far off. I appreciate you guys very much. Talk to you soon.